Ethereum value equivalent to 1817 bucks a coin. The present reach: $1,758, $1,850. The earlier day close: $1,766. The change was plus 51, plus 2.89%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1671 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,135, least cost $1,538. The normal for the month $1,835. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,995, change for October 19.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at 1995 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,411, least cost $1,675. The normal for the month $2,084. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,253, change for November 12.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 2253 bucks. Greatest cost $2,448, least cost $2,128. The normal for the month $2,279. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,288, change for December 1.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 2288 bucks. Greatest cost $2,288, least cost $1,887. The normal for the month $2,123. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,029, change for January 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 2029 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,084, least cost $1,812. The normal for the month $1,968. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,948, change for February 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 1948 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,151, least cost $1,869. The normal for the month $1,995. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,010, change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 2010 bucks. Greatest cost $2,155, least cost $1,873. The normal for the month $2,013. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,014, change for April 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at 2014 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,212, least cost $1,922. The normal for the month $2,054. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,067, change for May 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 2067 bucks. Greatest cost $2,517, least cost $2,067. The normal for the month $2,251. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,352, change for June 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place cost at 2352 bucks. Greatest cost $2,546, least cost $2,212. The normal for the month $2,372. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,379, change for July 1.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at 2379 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,953, least cost $2,379. The normal for the month $2,618. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,760, change for August 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. At the outset cost at 2760 bucks. Most extreme cost $2,760, least cost $2,375. The normal for the month $2,612. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,554, change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $2,554. Greatest cost $2,554, least cost $1,995. The normal for the month $2,312. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,145, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at $1,489. Greatest cost $1,489, least cost $1,210. The normal for the month $1,372. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,301, change for December 12.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $1,301. Greatest cost $1,615, least cost $1,301. The normal for the month $1,432. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,509, change for January 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $1,509. Most extreme cost $1,793, least cost $1,509. The normal for the month $1,622. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,676, change for February 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $1,676. Most extreme cost $1,676, least cost $1,310. The normal for the month $1,518. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,409, change for spring 15.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $1,409. Most extreme cost $1,470, least cost $1,278. The normal for the month $1,383. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,374, change for April 2.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Before all else cost at $1,374. Most extreme cost $1,706, least cost $1,374. The normal for the month $1,512. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,590.